Hello children, in this lesson we are going to learn about how to introduce colors. Okay, where are the places that we have to apply colors? When you're introducing font or text, you have to apply colors. Background, picture borders, likewise we have to many reasons that we have to apply colors. So when if you apply color verbally, like silver, white, like that, it will be limited, children. Okay, here you can see providing names of the 16 standard colors. Okay, likewise you can apply it. This part is there, this lesson unit is there when you observe the page number 141. Okay, according to the tag, okay, how you can apply color name equal within double quotation whatever color, example yellow, because I didn't included anything here. Basically I want to tell you how you can apply color. This is the one method that you can apply color verbally. Likewise I think you understood. Then second method is verbally giving names. Okay, you can introduce using hexadecimal values for the colors. Then you can see here, according to note, using RGB hexadecimal codes based on the basic color red, green and blue. We'll see, children. Here you can see the color red. Color red, you don't want to write red. Instead of that, there is a hexadecimal code you can value you can introduce. There is a method of introduce, children. First you need to type this hash mark. After that, red color, green color and blue color. This hexadecimal color mainly based on the RGB color model, children. I will show you what it is. You can easily understand. Look at this one, children. So this color, okay, now I took this second example. Here you can see hash mark FF0000. What is the meaning of this? The red color, if you are introducing, this is the hexadecimal color scheme, children. Look at this sharp hash mark, then FF0000. This first FF or first two digits belongs, it indicate the red channel color, and next to digit it display green, and next to digit it display blue. Right, so likewise, then how we can create according to color this hexadecimal color code? That is very simple. I will show you, children. So right, everybody knows font color. We will get this color palette. Right, after we get that color palette, if you go, you know that from this place we can create any color. Now the present color is, children, you can see the color model is RGB and the present color is black. Okay, then black is, you can see the decimal value of this each channel. Red channel, green channel, blue channel is 0 0 0. Right, so then if you want to display black, you can see here, okay, hash mark, then 00, that means red channel, then next to green channel, and this is a blue channel. Okay, likewise you have to write 6 zeros to display black. Right, think I would like to select this color. Right, I forgot to tell you one thing, children. That is what is the color range. Okay, now the here minimum if you drag this point into down, it's black, it is 0 0 0. Then I will drag it up, that is white, children, the maximum color. You can see each channel 255 255 255 all together with the 0, there are 256 colors, children, only that much. Okay, then 255, if you convert it to hexadecimal, I think everybody knows, grade 10 third unit number systems, you know how to convert this one by dividing 16. You will get double F when you converted this decimal value into hexadecimal. Right, now after that I would like to select this color. Okay, I will take this color. I want to get this one. So then red channel 33 children, green channel 103, and blue channel 217. So you need to convert this 33 into hexadecimal. You need to convert this green channel into 103. You need to convert this 217 into hexadecimal. So after that you can write here the red channel hexadecimal value, green channel hexadecimal value, and the blue channel hexadecimal value. Right, I will show you quickly. We'll get calculator, so we'll calculate and get quickly. Right, now the red channel value is 33 children. Right, we'll convert it into hexa value is children 21. Right, then here you can write 21. Then green channel value is 103. We'll convert it. Then the hexa value is 67. Then here you can green channel value, you can write it here 67. You can see hexa value is here. Then the last one is 217, that is about the blue channel. So then 217 will convert, that is D9. You can write that value in here. You all are familiar with the hexadecimal value, how to convert. Okay, that is easy. This is how you can introduce any color using hexadecimal. This technique is easy because you can, range of colors you can introduce here without any problem. Right, hope you understood. Next we are going to talk about children font tag. So what then how you can introduce a font, okay, like this font tag. If we get children, that is a double tag, and same time there are three attributes. First one is face. Okay, now what is the meaning of that? Okay, you can introduce any font. We'll type Arial font, that's what I want to introduce. Okay, I said there are three attributes. I'll type first I will introduce you face attribute under font. Right, so then after that I'll type HTML. Okay, I will close this font by typing font. Otherwise we'll save this. We'll see what is happening in web browser. You can see here I have introduced Arial font. How we know that is Arial font? That we'll type here another normal regular text. Right, we'll refresh and see there is a small difference. Right, HTML and here I have included a font. We will see another different font by adding it here. It's easy. You can get whatever word processing software or font where you can see. I would like to get we will see some little bit different font. We'll get this one. I will click here. I'll press Ctrl and C, that is for copy. I'll go to my source code. I'll paste that one, whatever font name that I get. So after that we'll refresh here. Now you can see it's changed. That is how you all can introduce font. Right, but there will be a small problem if you created a website. So in there, if you introduce many font here, if that font is not within someone's computer when using of your web page which you have uploaded to the internet, so that font not displaying. For that there are many methods that you can use. I will introduce those in future lessons. Okay, then second I would like to change that font to different. Get these copy, I will paste here. Okay, right. Next I will introduce you a size. Here equal, there are 7 sizes available, from 1 to 7 sizes available children. So then I will type here size 7 quotation. We'll save it. We'll go to our web browser. We'll refresh and see this is font size 7. Okay, I would like to type size 4. I will press Ctrl S. I'll refresh it. You can see it change, right? So then likewise the font size between 1 to 7. The last attribute of font is color. I'll type color equals, we'll type what of color we learned at here. So we'll type lime, this one. Okay, finish. Now you all can see here whatever attribute I type here, when closing font tag you have to only close font, right? Keep it in your mind, that one. Then we'll see, I will save it, Ctrl S. I will see what is the output of this one, the color change. Okay, now we'll learn. Likewise, you can get any color from that list, and you can introduce here. And there is no any. You can type size first, face next. Likewise, there is no order here. And how we can introduce a color which is in the hexadecimal format. Okay, we'll go to everybody knows how to convert. We'll get some colors which we have learned here in this list. We'll get this color FF00FF. Okay, and we'll go to our source code. I'll type first. You need to type hash mark FF00FF. You'll observe that color here. It changed into according to that one. That is easy. You can convert. Okay, you can convert any color. You go to any color palette available software to get it. Select whatever color. Then you know the RGB value of decimal, converted into hexadecimal, and apply it. That is how you all can introduce a font, these three attributes: face, size, and the color. Note about this one is, children, this one. Okay, hope you all can see this clearly. Pause your video and please copy down this one. Okay, next we are going to talk about unordered list. What is unordered list? This is unordered list. Now you can understand what is unordered list. All you have practice in word processing software how to get bullets, right? So this type of list, if you want to create, how we can do it? Mainly when creating of O-level questions, some question made from this part, and learn it with the good concentration, and you need to practice many times. So we'll learn how we can work with unordered list. Okay, right. I'll add a comment. I'll type the topic, then it will be easy for you all to understand unordered list. Right, first tag is, children, UL, unordered list. That's how you all have to write. After that you can see grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. Likewise, if you want, you need to type introduce, that is introducing under elements. Okay, now how we can do it? You need to type another tag under this UL. I press tab key because it is easy to understand this source code. There is a way of typing source code. Then because of that, I press tab key. So after that, I will type here LI tag. Okay, then I will type grade 1. Okay, after that you need to close this LI. Okay, we'll type another element, LI grade 2, LI grade 3, LI. Okay, Okay, now I want to include three element what you can see on this presentation likewise. So then I will close the, now my work is done. UL is a double tag, then here you need to close UL children. Okay, now this is the very basic unordered list you can create, simple, but you need to practice. After that we will I will introduce you this one with the multi-level list, easily how you can make. Some of children, they whoever I met, so they had difficulties of making unordered list. With these examples, if you practice, easily you can do this. We'll see what is the output of this one. I press Ctrl S, we'll go to browser and we'll see. Here you can see whatever we experience in that presentation as it is made. Okay, the another few elements, if you want, you can type it here, li. Likewise you can introduce one by one. Okay, much that you want, you can start another list. If you want to start with the different level, so then you can type ul. Okay, I will copy and paste to save your time. Okay, here you can see same level, you can get li. I'll type here, I need to start from 6, 7 and 8. Okay, which is not should be with this one. So likewise you can type it here. We'll try and see. You can see there is a small gap between these two. Okay, likewise many according to your work you can add here unordered list. Right, hope you understood. And children, next we are going to understand there are type of shapes here. Right, that's what we are going to learn it now. Okay, that is called unordered list types. You can see whatever we have experienced, that shape is called disk. That is the default one, that is called disk. We'll see how we can get how we can type this type and get this disk shape. This is the default one. Normally if you haven't typed any unordered list type, so disk will display on your browser. So then we'll get our code and you can type it in here. You can introduce what shape you want. TYPE equals, you can type the unordered list type, right? So then I'll type here disk. We'll save it. We'll see how this look like in our browser. Look at this, children. This is the default shape in unordered list. Even you type type of unordered list or not, okay, this shape will display. So the next type is, children, circle. So see the shape. Okay, it is not filled. This one only the border is there. We'll see in our code. We'll change it disk into circle. I will save it and we'll see in our browser how it is look like. Now you all can understand here. This is the circle shape. There is only another one type is there, that is called square, children. Okay, we'll see. This is the shape of that one. Okay, we will change our code into square. We'll save it. We'll refresh it. Now you can see it has changed. Okay, likewise you can get any unordered type and you can create your list. Here I'll get I will paste twice this one. I'll change this one into disk and I'll change this one into circle. I made a mistake. Okay, I will Control S, will refresh and see. Here you can see this is the first shape is square, disk and circle. You can see here I have introduced this type within double quotation. Okay, up to there, hope you all understand. And next video we will learn how we can introduce level for the unordered list. You practice this one much you can and keep it in your mind. how to type these HTML codes. You should know this one. Without any guide, you should be able to write this one in your book or type this one and get your output. That much level you need to practice, then definitely you can get full marks for the HTML question in O level paper. Thank you, children.